There are two types of strings in Rust, string and str. Instead of str, it can be called string literal, string slice, slice of string, and star. The main difference between them depends on the usage requirements. String literals str are used when the value of a string is known at compile time. String literals are a set of characters which are hard-coded into a variable. String literals are static by default. You can write this explicitly, but your compiler does it implicitly. This means that string literals are guaranteed to be valid for the duration of the entire program. The result we will draw from here is you use it if you have a text data that cannot be changed while it is running, because str cannot be mutable and is usually in the data segment of memory. Sometimes there are situations where you need to get data from the user, and this is unpredictable situation at compile time. The string type can be used to represent string values that are provided at runtime. String is a type that can be mutable, grow, and reside in the heap region of memory. String can be enlarged because it is in the heap region, but therefore runs slower than str. With the toString function, you can quickly define a string type variable. Let's define another null and mutable string. We do this with the new function. You can then assign a value to it with the pushstr function. You can assign a char with the push function. Char is defined with single quotes, while strings are defined with double quotes. Rust has set this a strict rule. Therefore, do not define string in single quotes and char in double quotes. Let's print our last variable.